Hello, my name is Jason Remnant and I'm here to introduce to you an exciting new development from Linx Printing Technologies. At Linx, we realised there are many ways you can put your best before date, lot numbers, barcodes, logos and other variable information onto your packaging. It might be handwritten, stenciled, stamped, embossed or roller coded. Or maybe you're using a more sophisticated digital technology like valvejet, piezo, thermal or continuous inkjet printers. Whatever it is that you are coding onto, different technologies and printers have their positive and negative points. If today you are manually applying your information on boxes, then you will understand the time and effort that goes into correct and clear marking. Roller coders are a very simple solution but have fixed content, lengthy message changeover times and incur additional costs when you need new message wheels. Valvejet coders are known for their limited operational time before repair is needed and more commonly their leaks, wasting ink and causing a mess in the workplace. Their low resolution makes them no use for barcodes and graphics. Piezo coders are also known for their mess and lack of startup reliability. Thermal inkjet, whilst known as a clean technology, does suffer from reliability issues when you stop and start printing, especially with faster drying inks. Continuous inkjet printers provide the highest level of reliability, but initial printer cost and ongoing service and maintenance fees can be high. So which one is best and how can Linx Printing Technologies help? Well, we spent some time listening to users and looking at the best ways of coding and marking. If you are coding cases, trays, boxes or sleeves, we have a great solution using a combination of thermal inkjet technology and some unique Linx development work. I would like to introduce to you the output of that work. The new Linx TJ725 coder, and it's just perfect for coding onto boxes, trays, sleeves and cases. The Linx TJ725 coder consists of three main parts: the controller, the print head and the mounting brackets. We've spent some time engineering these parts to produce a radically different type of printer. So let's look at some of the features and what benefits they provide. The Linx TJ725 coder is the most reliable thermal inkjet coder on the market, and we have made it that through adding some smart technologies we call Active Cartridge Care. If you have used thermal inkjet before, you'll be familiar with wiping the cartridge before you start in order to ensure a good first print. Or maybe you just put up with the costs of discarding the first couple of boxes once the printer gets going. Wiping is always risky and if not done properly may still give you poor print and even risk damage to the cartridge itself. Other thermal inkjet printers can be reliable, as long as that is, you don't stop printing for too long. When you stop printing with a thermal inkjet printer, the ink in the printing nozzle starts to dry. If you wait too long or your ink is particularly fast drying, then you may be familiar with the message problems like this. Active Cartridge Care maintains the cartridge in conditions that keep it ready to print, so your first print can be as good as the last one. This amazingly simple and unique mechanism is automatically triggered by the internal sensors as the product approaches. In the blink of an eye, the unit will open, exposing the inkjet cartridge so it can print. If after a specific period of time another product is not sensed, Active Cartridge Care automatically closes, capping the cartridge and slowing down the ink from drying out in the nozzles. The cartridge is kept in a state ready to print. You may be familiar with this technique from your desktop inkjet printer, where the cartridge lives capped in the corner of the printer. Active Cartridge Care doesn't just help with printing reliability, it also helps protect the cartridge from accidental damage when the printer is non-operational. Many thermal inkjet printers recommend that most inks are removed from the printer and placed in a cartridge clip overnight or at weekends to stop the nozzles from drying out. With their Active Cartridge Care, you can leave cartridges in the printer overnight and at weekend. It's all about keeping it simple. Another great feature of the Linx TJ725 is the product guide with integrated sensors. The guide helps to ensure the printer and product are in the right position for best quality printing. The integrated sensors don't just trigger the Active Cartridge Care, they also measure the speed of the box and trigger the print. This ensures great print quality in the right place without the need for wiring in external detectors. We've done it all for you. Thermal inkjet cartridges contain both ink and print head. So unlike valvejet and other printing systems, there is no messy or complicated ink addition. Just simply change the cartridge in seconds. Each time you change the cartridge, you replace the print head. This ensures best print quality and reliability without any servicing or maintenance. Many printers need to be correctly configured when you put a new ink into the system. With the Linx TJ725, this is done for you automatically, so there's no risk of getting it wrong or it being forgotten about. Our clever cartridges even talk to the printer to tell you how many products you can print with the ink left in that cartridge. So you can ensure that you can get your job done without running out unexpectedly. The TJ725 controller has a full colour touchscreen interface for easy message creation and operation. No need to purchase a separate PC to generate your messages. The "what you see is what you get" display allows you to see exactly what you are printing. Print with a range of resolutions and font sizes. Design messages without restriction, placing text fields anywhere within the 12.7mm print height. You can even add your own logos and images by importing them through the USB interface. Print at line speeds of 1 meter per second with 300 dpi resolution. Print on the side or on the top of your product by simply unscrewing the print head from the mounting bracket and rotating it through 90 degrees. We've designed the Linx TJ725 so that you can install, set up and get printing straight away. Included are mounting brackets for the print head and controller, so you can easily and quickly install the printer yourself. You don't need to wait for an engineer to come visiting. You can simply adjust the print position of the printer by opening the levers, slide the print head into position and then secure again by closing. So when your product changes, you don't need to find tools to readjust your printing location. It's so simple. A printer is nothing without its inks, and we are pleased to offer a wide range of industrial grade inks for use with the Linx TJ725, designed for reliability and cost-effective performance. We have inks for printing onto porous materials such as paper, card and wood. Inks for printing onto semi-porous materials that may be slightly varnished or coated. Finally, we have a fast-drying ink capable of adhesion onto a range of non-porous materials, such as highly varnished substrates, some plastics and films. All these great features give you real benefits, and whether you are a first-time user of inkjet or a seasoned professional, we think you will agree. Our smart printer makes things pretty simple. Please visit our website or speak to your local Linx distributor if you would like to know more. Thank you for watching.